Hey guys, are you ready to trade smarter, not harder? Welcome to Omni Trading Academy, powered by official Omni token. And here, this community is created by Oscar Carbone. This person is ready to share their best experience of 42 year of real market. Join Omni community and jump into free live trading room now. And before that, you can also subscribe their official YouTube channel as well, where you will see Oscar Carbone's Omni Trading live video, as well as the video where you can find new trading expertise, more method, and how Omni slightly bullish stock again, and everything you can find here with Q&A section as well by Oscar Carbone, their experience. If you are really serious about mastering the market, you are at the right place. Omni Trading Academy live with Oscar, and a technical analyst trader with over 4 decades of experience. You can get link in my video description. So you can join Omni community, learn live in our free trading chat room. Emotions are out. Now you are going to leading yourself to financial freedom. So first of all, a very warm welcome to Omni Trading Academy, powered by experienced, driven by result. I am going to share about the best mentor, Oscar Carbone, with 42 year plus in the market. Joining the Omni community, you will learn about this Omni trading as well. Omni token, that is fuel the next generation of this ecosystem, blending with education, community, on-chain opportunity. And obviously there, not only you can get the what market insight, you will analyze, and you will also learn like their best experience and what is upcoming. Here you can also check live chat room. On the pump one, their token has been already listed. And if you want to know further information about, like here is now live, you can see here live 5% are already watching it. If you want to watch, you can also check out how Carbone is going to giving you best experience. Here are multiple live stream on the pump fund as well as their $4.7 million with market cap of their token, Omni token on Solana. And here you can also check the top holders as well as there is the price, and within 6 hours it have been increased. There is a price change as well, so you can easily come to enjoy your new epic journey with Omni Trading Academy and enroll yourself into this in just 4 days. And here you can guess premium market signals too, and here you can also get many other report as well. So here, how to get Omni token. You can easily come on pump swap in 3 easy steps. First, you come in the DX screener. Second is to connect Phantom wallet. Third is to swap your Solana for Omni. That is very simple and option for you can easily click on it, and then you will come to this site, and here is the option where you can easily come. Here you can put the number of Solana, and then you will also check out successfully how my token in Omni you can easily get. If you switch to the Omni, now you can write here how much number of Omni you want, and then you will also check out the number of amount in Solana. So this is how Omni is going to show you their progress report, and join their Omni trading camp as well. Here is in-person online session by Oscar Carbone, and learn the technical analysis how you can register yourself. You can easily come here in their white paper, that is also helpful for you. And this is also how it looks when you are going to check out. Their mission is to providing you experience about that. So here you can also check their white paper, how their community is going to expand with this concept that Omni Academy is going to providing you a complete spot. You can easily come on their Twitter profile, where you can easily check Oscar Carbone official profile on Twitter, and there you can check a complete discipline with Omni Trading, how it is going to making steadily about your financial freedom in a completely safe and stock. And other one you can easily get here, and as well as on their Facebook too. Here is also Oscar Carboni, the chart whisperer, with followers and their update. You can easily come to know here on the profile 4 decade experience. So there are some legal transparency. It's mean you are going to work with secure ecosystem. Enroll yourself in trading camp, as well as join Omni Trading Academy live with Oscar. So further, I can also show you how you are going to get started. For free membership or platinum membership, you can easily click on it, and then you will also create your account on it. Now first you need to register your account. For that, you can also write your first name, last name, email address, phone number, username, and password. You have to accept the terms and condition. After setting the code on your email, you can also receive, and after all the verification, you can create your account. Once you log in, you can also check here is Oscar chat room and get the daily Omni update as well. You want to chat with Oscar, you can click on it. You can also click, and first of all, and then you will also come here Oscar main trading room, Omni Camp alumni room. You can also join, and then you will also be enter into this room here. Oscar Carboni is live. Here is the chat. You can also check. You can also get all the update about that here once it will be loaded. You can also check Oscar Carboni is now live, and there are a lot of people who already participated into it. We are also one of them. You can also get, here is the box where you can chat. You can also share your graph and some data as well. So in this way you can also come into the room, and there is also stay tuned for next Omni Camp. You can also register yourself. Here you can also check some more information about daily Omni. There is also market tool that you can easily check out, some feature also that you can explore it for the next future detail. And obviously you can also get their official token, check out their live update on the all social media link as I have already shown you. And thanks for watching. If you still any question, you can share in the comment box, and we will also provide you link. There you can also explore it and do your proper research about Oscar Carboni with 4 decade experience, and join them. See you next video, and take care and goodbye.